Thanks for joining me. In this video, I want to address a common question that we get about study permits. One of our clients writes to us and says, I want to change my school or my program of study. How can I change my study permit? The answer to this is a little bit different. It depends on what level of study you're at. For those who are at college or university, if you decide to change a program or change schools, so let's say from Ryerson to York University, you do not have to apply for a brand new study permit. You could essentially just use that study permit and go to the next program or the next institution. For the validity of that permit, you may do so. In regards to primary school or high school, it's relatively simple. You have to apply for a document. It's called Apply to Modify Your Study Permit. It's a simple form that you complete, and it includes information about what your study is right now, what school you're in, and then what school you want to go to or the program you want to study. It's to modify that study permit and include documentation to prove not only what you were and which school you were at, but also what other school has accepted you. The main reason for this is because for primary and high school, the school has to accept you in regards to that region. Now, every school, high school or primary school, you have to live in that vicinity for that school to accept you. They have to have availability and so forth. Versus university or college, there's always a spot, and it's just that you have to pay the tuition and have to be accepted. And it doesn't really matter whether it's this college or that college, they're relatively rated the same way. So to change your study permit from a primary or high school, you do have to submit an application with CPC Vegreville, basically modifying your study permit. It's not really a brand new study permit application, it's just simply to modify it. However, you do not need to go through this process if you're under college or university and you want to change your program or your institution of study. I hope that clarifies this question. If this applies to you or you have further questions, feel free to email us or give us a call. Thank you. Until next time.